Hello and welcome to week 9. So I know that Halloween is coming up this week, but hopefully you don't find our content for this week to be too spooky. In week 9, we are going to focus on unit 8, which is using our proportional reasoning skills from the last unit, but we're going to transfer them now to solving percentage problems and percentage application problems. As you're working through the media lessons in our MORE system, you'll notice that there is one approach that is highlighted in all the media lessons to help you with your concept of percentages and to help you solve percentage problems. However, I have highlighted 2 alternative methods to help you when you're approaching percentage problems. So if you notice in the week 9 overview page or also in the week 9 module, I have a link to a page called Alternative Approach to Solving Percentage Application Problems. So I have 3 different videos for you here. One of them is when you're finding the amount when you are given the percent and the whole. Another one is if you have to find the percent when you're given the amount and the whole. And another one is when you're trying to find the whole if you're given the percent and the amount. So you'll notice anytime you solve a percent application problem, there's 3 parts: the amount, the percent, and the whole. Usually you're given 2 out of those 3, and you have to find the unknown, which is the third one that you're not given. And I have 2 alternative approaches for you, and they are highlighted in these videos. So what I would like you to do is watch these 3 videos that highlight the alternative approach. So let me show you exactly where you can find those videos one more time. So if you're in our week 9 module, you can get the videos from the week 9 overview. You can also just click on the page that has the alternative approach to solving the percent application problems. So after you watch those 3 videos, then at the end of this video that you're watching right now, which I'm about to show you in just a second, is our secret question. And then when you answer the secret question, it's not really secret. I just call it secret so you guys realize that it's a big deal to get your 2 bonus points. But after you look at the question, then you can post in the week 9 discussion board to get your 2 bonus points. And here it is, the secret question. So let's take a look. If you want to pause the video, you can pause it and read it for yourself or take a screenshot of it. But we have Jill went to an orchard to pick apples over fall break. She got home, she noticed 12% of the apples in her basket had bruises. The other 66 apples in her basket were in perfect condition. Find the total number of apples in her basket. So there's 3 questions you want to answer in your discussion board. Number 1, are you looking for the whole, the amount, or the percent? Because you need to identify that first before you know what strategy to use. Number 2, then you're going to find the total of number of apples in her basket and show all your work. And then after you show all your work, you're going to write your final answer in a complete sentence. So again, I hope everybody has a wonderful Halloween. I hope you're having a great week. And please let me know if you have any questions at all as you work on your assignments for Unit 8. Have a wonderful day.